Hey guys, so my Screencastify had cut me off. So we are going to resume. So again, the OH is a polyatomic, so we're going to check at that in a second. So the first element in this is, again, sodium. Make sure it's capitalized. Go to your periodic table reference sheet, see what OH is, and you're going to find out that it is hydroxide. This is going to be one that you're probably going to memorize because you're going to see a lot of OH when it comes to naming ionic compounds. So sodium hydroxide, you're done. Number 3, look at your periodic table if you don't know what Mg is, and it is magnesium. Okay. Look at your periodic table, see what Cl is, and that is chlorine. But if you remember from the steps, you are going to have to add IDE. Remember, it's lowercase, so it's magnesium chloride. Number 4 is one of those exceptions. Again, you see potassium. Let's go ahead and write that. Again, there's two elements acting as the nonmetal. Look that up on your polyatomic worksheet. Unfortunately, this one is not listed for you, so I'll go ahead and give that to you. And that is silicate. Remember, lowercase. Okay. Number 5 is a transition metal. So I have shared with you a video on the transition metals. You're going to expect to put a Roman numeral there. So if you don't know your Roman numerals, you want to start beginning to memorize at least minimum 1 through 5 on the Roman numerals. So Fe is iron. If you see that subscript, that is going to become your Roman numeral. And you're welcome to put it in parentheses. I do, because 90% of the time I can't read my own handwriting. And look up the other element, that's iodine. And if you remember, you've got to drop the ending of the nonmetal and add IDE. Number 6, again, is another transition metal. So we're going to have to plug in that Roman numeral as well. So Mn is manganese. Okay, you see that subscript for chlorine. That is going to be your Roman numeral. And instead of chlorine, you're going to write chloride. Last but not least, this is the only other one that I'm going to do with you as far as the demonstration, because yet again, it is an exception to the rule. If you look up CD on your periodic table, guess what? It is a transition metal, and it is cadmium. Okay, so we have a transition metal, we have a polyatomic. You're not going to use a Roman numeral for this particular one. Again, that's an exception to the rule, so it's cadmium. And OH, if you haven't already guessed it, is hydroxide. Okay, so I'm going to let you practice the rest of these. Do the best you can. Try to refrain from Googling the answers, because you will have to come up with these on your own when it comes to the end of semester testing. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, I'll be happy to answer them. I'll be happy to create another Screencastify if that helps. Hope you're having a wonderful day.